guys, welcome to another video. In this video we want to go and see the part 2 of Movavi Editor Plus 2020, and this is part 3 of how to have business in our house. So the download link, it's in my description, you can also download it. So let's get started. I'm gonna double click on it, run it, and then click on run. Here we go. Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020. Make videos, create Inspire. Yeah, this is the newest version actually. Here it is. We just dragging folder or click on this to add your files. You can add your files from here. So I just wanna add my files. Here they are. I have my files right here. These two. I just need 2 files. So you can just be pressing Ctrl+A and add all and then drag them into your timeline, but I just gonna add them as a single file. So first this, add all, delete this. Okay, as a single file first, maybe this and then this. Okay, so I just gonna detach audio and then delete the audio, detach audio, and then delete this. Here we go. We do not have any audio right now. Here are our videos. Okay, let's go at first and add a sample video. You can add all of this in your videos, but at first I'm gonna add a sample video. You can download all of these videos. We just clicking on this. You can see the preview of your video. Okay, this video I just gonna add it right here at first. Let's see what happened. First our sample video, and then our main videos. Okay, now let's go to add a text, and then you can add any text on your background. And like first add a background and add a text on it, or just add an intro video and something like this. Here it is the preview, or you can also add another something like this. You can see it will recall. I just gonna add maybe this. Just drag it into here. Now go to edit it. We just here is the text. We don't need this text, so we're just gonna add change this text. We just double clicking on it, or maybe kind happy. Just you can change the color from here maybe to blue, and the font maybe to be organic. Here we go. They are here. You can add an outline to it and outline. You don't need outline, and then you should click on apply and return. Okay, let's see what happens. First, we have our sample video. Then our intro video with a text on it, kind and happy. Then our main video. Here we go. Okay, let's go to the transition and let's add a transition, something like maybe this. Let's add it here and another here. Let's see what happens. First we have our sample video, transitions to intro video, then the text, transition to main video. Here we go. Okay, let's go to the next, and that's the stickers. Let's add a sticker right maybe here, and let's add let's find the vowel maybe. Okay, here it is the vowel. Let's add it here. Okay, I just gonna add this well a little smaller and put it here. Okay, let's see what happens. We have our video and then the wow. Here it is. Okay, let's go to add maybe my background. We add a background from here. Maybe this background right here in this top. From here to the last of our video. Here we go. Now let's add the text in our background and it is as overlay, picture in picture. Let's add a text on this background just. We put this at middle. Okay, here is good. Let's add a text. All text and let's add maybe a simple text just this, or no zoom, no, just a simple text. Add it here and then just edit and from to end the video. And let's edit this text, just clicking on it and change this maybe to kind and happy. Here we go. Now just drag this into your background. Here it is, a little smaller. Now put it in the middle. Here is the middle. And then in your background. Okay, let's see what happened. What will happen? Here they are our text and the background. Let's change the color maybe to green or red or blue. Yeah, blue. Let's change the font. Maybe another. Okay, this is good. And let's add an outline to it and a little smaller outline. Okay, let's see what will happen. Our text with the background. Let's add an animation. Just clicking on this and add an animation. Where is it? Animation. Maybe a slide. Add it right here and let's see what happens. Okay, transition. Oops, sorry, just gonna remove all keyframes. Okay, let's see what happened. Intro video, transition to this. Let's edit as overlay the background again. Okay, now we're gonna add music to this video. We just going to in music, and you can add any music you want and download all of this music or your music and just drag file or add files from here. Let's add maybe this. You can just drag it into your video here. Now we have our music right here, and you can also change the speed, maybe a little faster. Or you can also open the reverse. Here we go, we have our music with our text. Let's see what happened. Drag this here, okay. have our videos with our music. Okay guys, see you on next video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.